işte Huun-Huur-Tu konsertince geldim. Bici tıvalap öğrenip turmen. Tatarda o böyle tıvada o dömeyleşkek.
If you look carefully, you see top of our instruments. We use it all the time, horse's head. It's very important animals, it's part of our family.
I've known the band for quite a while now.
Yeah.
Ever since they went to KEXP. Mostly I was like just feeling a sense of peace.
Oh yeah.
Of kind of miss in my life, you know? It just
Oh, I
was
see.
okay just to be. And that's what I love.
To me, it felt like home because this kind of music is similar to our music, kind of. Tatar, I'm Tatar, also Turkic, like Tuvan people. I close my eyes at one moment and imagine how I'm like looking over the mountains and like, I don't know, maybe on a horse, riding a horse. And you? What would you say?
That's how I felt. I felt like a nomad on a horse.
Yeah.
Going to a war. Not so peaceful like you.
İki. Benim adım Bulat, ben Tatar'ım. Tvala biçi çoğalıp tormen. Tarttırıp olur men tarttırıp foto. Aytaç bu. Türkiye'den Ulu bile çittirdim. Çaraş konsept oldu.
자, 거기 이제 konser oyunun sonunda olsa bu Bulat'tık Cangız Han'ı kadar kişiye tanıcı oldum. Ondan sonra burada tıktırır olmasa Türk yok. Ama Sübderge hayır yedim.
Men rejim Sübderge. Türk.
Türk.
The guys are touring since 90s, since 1991, I guess. And but I'm touring with them for the last 3 years. I love the music of them. Yeah, I love the magic.